Hello there, welcome back. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make organic gluten-free rice in the oven. It's going to be gluten-free organic vegetable rice in the oven. Okay. So let me catch you up where I have left off. Let me turn the camera down. Okay, what I have here so far is 4 tablespoons of onions, diced, onion paste, and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. And I have 5 cups of rice and 7.5 cups of water. And I'm putting less water because I'm going to add cilantros, red peppers, and with that and the onion paste and the garlic paste is going to produce more water. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish this. Okay. Now I want to add 1 more heaping tablespoon, so you can see, of onions. Onion paste. Okay, so that's a total of 5. And for the garlic, I have 2 in there already. I want to add a half more so you can see. So that's 2.5 on the garlic. 2.5 tablespoons. Okay. Okay, so let's mix this in. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt. You got to really bring the salt because rice is bland. Okay. Now we're going to add some turmeric, organic turmeric. Okay, I have a teaspoon here. Let's go ahead and add about, let's see if when we add, I'm going to add 5 teaspoons and then look at the color. This is also how you make yellow rice. So that's about 5. So let's see when we mix that in what that looks like. Kind of pale to me. You want like a deep gold color. So if you don't see that, add some more turmeric, which is what I'm going to do. I think I'll add 2 more heaping teaspoons full. So that's a total of what, 5? This is a big pan of rice. 5 cups will yield quite a bit of rice. Okay, it's looking a lot darker now. And I'm going to let you see that. So you see the color. Okay, alright, so now let's add our red peppers. That's 2 large red peppers, some cilantro, That's one bunch of cilantro. And I think we're good. We have everything in here. And it looks pretty, very pretty. Okay, let me let you see that. What a pretty color. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. Oh, I forgot the important thing. Some olive oil. Need that. Okay. I'll count it to 6. In your case, maybe 1/4 of a cup. Okay, now we're ready. We're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it on 400 until it doubles in size. I'm thinking around 30 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay guys, our gluten-free veggie baked yellow rice is out of the oven. Look at that. Oh wow. And let me get a thumbnail. Oh, it's hot. Beautiful. Okay, thumbnail. Okay guys, I gotta run. Thanks for hanging around. I'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.